PrimeCenter is the new Prepress solution for supplying large format print and cut production. This new Caldera software emphasises optimised nesting and advanced tools for prepress automation. Multi-platform software. You can use PrimeCenter on any workstation at the prepress level. PrimeCenter embeds the most used standard Callus pre-flight engine to ensure you deal with compliant PDF files. Choose your features and build your own recipes to automate the nesting. PrimeCenter is also able to manage metadata attached to the incoming PDF in order to set up an even more automated workflow and smarter nesting. Export PDF layout file and cut file to production stage. Orders or jobs are first submitted to the prepress station manually or from a web shop or an ERP, for instance. PrimeCenter will generate the nested layout based on recipes created by the operator. After adding marks and optimizing the nesting, both the print PDF file and the cut file are sent to the production stage. Here, Caldera Rip software can be automated using preset or workflow to rip the file to the printer. After printing, the cutting can start. Let's see how the manual way works. Here, we would like to manually process 3 different jobs. Welcome to PrimeCenter. To open the files manually, we simply drag and drop them inside the File Manager module. In this example, each file is a multi-page PDF of 9 pages. We would like to nest 1 copy of each page within a PVC plate. It's time to set up how we are going to nest these files. We first need to choose the cut device, where we want to send the cut file. As we can see, the list of materials available from the cutter is synchronized with PrimeCenter. So let's keep a PVC substrate. Then we can enable cut marks to ensure the automatic registration process. From this module, it's possible to generate some bleed to improve the finish. Here we add a 5mm bleed surrounding the cut contour. We can also add barcodes in order to ease physical jobs identification and tracking. Finally, we choose the nesting method that we'd like to use. Let's choose a true shape nesting with a 6mm margin. A 5% rotation angle will give us an even more optimized nesting. Once everything is set up, we can apply the changes to start the nesting. After optimization, we can have a closer look at the nested elements from the layout module. Now, both layout and cut files can be exported. Each recipe can be exported independently to be reused later, archived, or shared with another PrimeCenter user. Let's see how to use PrimeCenter in an automated way. First, we are going to duplicate and rename the current recipe. Let's apply a few changes to push the automation to the next level. Here, a hot folder has been set up to automatically process the incoming files. For this recipe, we also want to use the metadata in order to nest incoming files based on the customer's ID. This is what is called ganging. Here, for example, we received 3 multi-page PDF files from 2 different customers. PrimeCenter is able to use the metadata, here the customer's ID, to queue the files in separated nests in order to ease the finishing and delivery process. In this example, 2 layouts are created. The last step will be to set up the output folder to automatically export the print layout as soon as the sheet is full. We can fine-tune the start of the nesting by setting a threshold in order to feed the production stage. To run the recipe, click the play button. Now, each new file arriving in the input hot folder is processed by the running recipe. The layout and cut files are automatically created, then exported. If you are already a Caldera RIP user, you probably know that you can set up a workflow to automate the ripping process. If not, please contact us in order to get more information about our solutions.